So now that it's centered and opened and the bottom is nice and compressed, I'll go ahead and pull the walls. Again, I'm making an undercut with my right thumb, and I'm going to pinch with my left hand and compress with my right. I feel an air bubble. Now the way to deal with an air bubble is to take your needle tool and just poke holes right where that air bubble is. And then the next time you come up with your rib up against that, it'll push whatever air is in there out. So now I'm going to take my rib and push towards the bottom. Now remember, I've left some thickness down there at the bottom for the foot. So as I pull the walls, I need to leave that foot, so I don't want to compress all the way in against the bat. You see that air bubble wobble has gone away because the air bubble was removed, mostly. Now I'm just going to push in with my finger to sort of accentuate where that foot's going to be so that I don't have to do quite as much trimming. And then I'm going to smooth out the exterior wall and make it a nice bell curve.